Welcome to Penguin Island. Penguin Island has new problem. This time, penguins don't want to spend pebbles. It's too cold. They are too cautious. Fish shop's empty. No customers. Fish seller penguins say, no one buying. I drop price. Fish was 12 pebbles. Now 7. Then 3. Penguin waddles over, sees discount, thinks, nice. But what if tomorrow cheaper? So penguins wait and wait. No one buys anything. This is called deflation. Fish seller penguin make less. Penguin workers get fired. No job equals no pebbles. No pebbles equals no fish. Shops close. Ice shelves empty. Everything cheaper. But no penguin happy. Because no penguin has job. No penguin has fish. No one eats. Bro's freezing and hungry. Still waiting for cheaper fish.